I will show you how to free up your time and start earning money at the same time. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own online business, to free up the time to travel, spend time with your family, or do whatever you want. Those of you who doesn't know me yet, I'm Mia. I'm a 55 plus grandma from Sweden. And I teach retirees just like myself how to start an online business, freeing up their time, travel around the world, or spend time with the family. So let me help you to realize you have to start living your life, not just being alive. Click down below and write freedom, and I will send you the free guide to get you started. Retirement should be about freedom and to be about your choices, right? Not the other way around. With this business model, we teach you how to create your online business. You simply follow the blueprint. It's a proven blueprint. I needed something that I could follow so my 55 plus brain could actually follow step by step by step. And this is it. It's so easy to follow. I spend 2 hours in the mornings to income earning activities. That's all. Then I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. And what I want personally, I love to go swimming in the pool. I love to go long walks on the beach. But that's for me. What is it for you? One of the big advantages with this business model is it runs on automation. And you don't need to have any techie skills at all. So, what does that mean, really, work on automation? Well, when you create content, if you make a video, it runs for you 24/7. So, you don't have to do all the 8 to 10 hour work a day. You need 2 hours a day. And when I create content, I can do it in the comfort of my home, like now, or I can do it in the comfort of the swimming pool, where I love to do most of my contents. And during this time, my business works for me. It's perfect. We also teach you how to build an email list. Do you know what attraction marketing is? Well, you will find out here, and it means that you do not have to chase any customers. They come to you. Are you ready to get your time back and to start earning some money for your retirement? Well, click the link in the description and grab your free copy of a guide that shows you exactly how to do that. Your ideal customer, it's easy. It's you. Yes, correct. It's you. If you think you're about yourself 10 years ago, that is your ideal customer. So with all the skills you learn in this program, all the knowledge you get, and all the possibilities to earn your own money, what would you tell your 10-year younger yourself? Would you tell them how to do this? Would you show them how to get the knowledge and how to work 2 hours a day? It runs on automation, no tech skills. That's your ideal customer. Tell them exactly how you did to start your business. Let's talk about financial freedom. What is it for you? What does it mean for you? I can only go to myself and say, for me, financial freedom, it wasn't an option. It was a must-do, because I really, really want to start living my life, not just being alive. And in my case, I had some health issues, and I needed to retire in a warmer place, in a tropical island, for instance. But I knew I had to do something about my financial situation, because we didn't have any money tucked away for our retirement. And so many people today live on paycheck to paycheck and can't put any money away for their retirement. It's more common than you think. So if this is you, you are not alone, I can assure you. But the thing is, you have to do something about it. If you want to change in your life, you have to make a change. The only thing I regret was that I didn't start this online business before, like for 10 years ago. I would be in a totally different situation today. But I'm so glad that I finally found this program and started. I took a leap, and I believed in myself, and I believed that so many other people can do this. Why not me? And I knew my goal. I wanted to retire on a tropical island due to my health. So this is it. I gotta do something. And I did. Are you ready to design your retirement the way you want to live it? If it is traveling, living on a tropical island, spend more time with your family, or everything all together, start creating memories. Create memories with your family. You can do that in a tropical island, or you can do that at home. It's all about you. And now it's your turn. You have one life. Start living your life. So what are you waiting for? If you are ready to start making a change in your life to the better, grab the link in the description down below and I will send you a free guide to show you exactly how to start your online business today. Until we meet again, toodaloo.